Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be talking about one of the maneuvers in your driving test, which is also called as curb side stop. As we all know, we have three maneuvers in our driving test: curb side stop, reverse parallel park and a 3-point turn. The video of reverse parallel park you can watch here, and a video of 3-point turn you can watch here. So at one point in your driving test, your testing officer will say, okay, we'll pull over to the left and we'll stop our car as if we are parking and leaving the car, and they will tell you to secure your car as if you are leaving the car. So you need to put your car in parking, engine off and park brake up or engaged. So curbside stop is pretty much parking on the side of the road, which is not a car park like this.
Now let's start this video. Now during the driving test, while you be cruising around back streets, at one point your driving testing officer will say, we'll pull over to the left and we'll do a curbside stop like what you can see in the video. After stopping, you will get told to secure the car, turn off the engine as if you are leaving the car. After stopping, your testing officer will assess your position, then he will say, let's restart the car and continue straight. And then you will start your car, signal right for 5 seconds. Immediately prior to moving out, you need to check over your right shoulder and then move out if it's safe to do so. While pulling over, if you will scrape the curb like this video, it's not a big deal, so don't worry about that. But while pulling over during the curbside stop, if you will mount the curb like this video, it is a fail item number 3 in your driving test. Here is another example. If while pulling over you are this far away from the curb, it's not a big deal, it's just a position error, just one more error in the driving test, it's not a fail. So you can leave it like this, or you can move forward and just adjust your car and bring it closer towards the curb.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do like my video. Please leave the thumbs up. It helps me get to more people on YouTube who are looking for the similar content. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.